Hi, my name is Warner Lewis of the Harkov Lewis team, and I'm thrilled to bring you on this tour of 7C, spectacular 2-bedroom with some of the best water views you will find anywhere in Brooklyn. So the sea line at the edge really has the best views of the whole building. The layout of this apartment actually allows something that is somewhat rare in the building, which is a real dining area as well as the living area. So you have the ability to entertain and also have an ample living room size. So here you have this gorgeous windowed kitchen, and just standing here and being able to see a ferry pulling in right now, the best vista of Manhattan while cooking is a treat. This is just such a nice little oasis to have. It's absolutely spectacular on your own private deck with the city right behind me. So this might be the best bedroom in the whole building. You have ample closet space, and then this is your view. The 2 piers, completely wide open, protected, and you just can't ask for a better way to start your day. The luxurious 5-piece primary bathroom finishes off what is one of the best primary suites in the building. This is what truly sets the Edge apart from any other building you will possibly visit. This pool is a sanctuary in the summer, the spring, the winter, or fall. I personally use it all year round. It's a wonderful amenity that no building can beat. Not only do we have that, but we also have a jacuzzi, a steam room, and a sauna that round out this magical amenity package that, again, cannot be beat.
Fitness centers, a full-size indoor basketball court, virtual golf, 2 children's playrooms, 2 movie screening rooms, lounges, and a parking garage.
So this area, which is right off the pool, is the perfect place to congregate in the spring or summer, bring friends over, have a bottle of wine, grill a steak, and just get to relax right by the water. And if you get too hot, just jump in the pool.
Situated on the waterfront, with the East River State Park next door and the promenade and pier out front, the location offers breathtaking skyline views and sunsets. The Smorgasburg and Brooklyn Fee are at your doorstep on weekends, and you are steps from restaurants, bars, and shopping that have made Williamsburg one of the hottest neighborhoods in the city.
If you'd like to see this fabulous apartment at the Edge Condominium, please do not hesitate to reach out to me or any member of the Harkov Lewis team. We'd love to show it to you.